I met the guy with this. This is a cool little lark. It's a lark.
Right here on the right. That's interesting.
The GS. That boy's touched today. This is cool too. So the boys here.
That's whose that is. That motorhome you said looked like yours.
Yeah.
That's my buddy Tim Avalos.
Oh. Bad company. That looks good. Yes, sir. Nathaniel.
That's a cool one.
Yeah, it is. Well, that's the ugly one. That was a 40.
I know, but
The ugly one.
now
People will kind of,
now they're cool.
Vince Young is here. You know, I can tell there's oil underneath this car. Look at
Got a car behind.
Vince, you're still leaking. Oh, that's nice. Man.
South Carolina.
I got you behind this. That's so cool. I love that. That's Joe. So Joe, I had my, just cleaning it out. I had my camera in Joe's T-Bird last time, and he had both times almost hit the wall. Had to back off.
I hate this track.
I might.
I wouldn't race my car.
Well, I might test and tune here. You know, so I'll do 60 footers or something. I'll do half track. I'll probably just do test and tune. Love that. Oh, look at that wagon right there. Little Nova. Little square body 450. Oh, here we go. The museum cars. Nice bike right here. Car behind you. I'm sorry, I like blown cars. Especially on something like that. I should be injected or blown. I mean, that's just a cheap way to run it, that's all. I mean, I would do it too, cheaply. So this is what, a drag race or what?
Stock car, or Hot Wheels race, yeah.
Oh, I see, it's right here. I didn't see it.
Yeah, they're having fun.
Cool.
They bring their own car.
That's cool. They have this set up for kids. Bring your own Hot Wheels car, and you can race it. We need to get kids.
Morning.
Cool. How you doing today?
We're having two tournaments. One's at 12:30 and the other one's at 2:30.
Okay.
Grand prize is first place $100 cash.
$100.
Second $50 cash.
Oh.
Third is $25.
How old do you have to be?
You have to be at least 3 years old.
Oh no, maximum. Okay, thank you, buddy. You pick a car?
We just need your own Hot Wheel.
Okay.
They're selling them too, right?
Yeah, we
Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
$5 to enter.
Okay, $5 to enter. Thank you.